Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Easy Home Cooking. Today I'm going to show you how to make Utappam. This is my mommy's style. So very easy, very tasty. So do try it and feed your kids and your family members. So first we are going to make the dosa batter. For that we have taken 1 cup of Urad Daal and 3 cups of parboiled rice or Idly rice. So after that, add in 1 tablespoon of fenugreek seeds. Wash them off properly and then soak them for 6 hours. This way, wash it off and then add lot of water and soak them for 6 hours. Later on, we are going to grind it in the wet grinder. So this is how it's going to grind. And look at the batter. It's very smooth texture. So grind it until then and put it in a big vessel so that when it ferments, it has space to rise. So ferment it for overnight so that it gets a lot of time to ferment and rise properly. So you can use this batter for dosa, uttappam or paniyarams, whatever. So one batter for everything. So now for the uttappam recipe, we are taking the dosa batter, then grated carrot, onion, green chilies and chopped coriander. Take a pan, add some oil, the dosa pan, and then start making the uttappams. Here my mom is making small uttappams so that they are very interesting for the kids to eat. So once you add in the batter, add some onions, green chilies, grated carrot and chopped coriander onto it, and then put some oil around each of the uttappams. While first when in the beginning when you are putting the dosa batter onto the pan, keep the pan on a high flame. Later on reduce it to medium to low so that they don't burn but cook properly and nicely into light golden color and a crisp bottom layer forms up. So after a few minutes, when bottom layer is cooked well, turn them over and cook for another few minutes so that they get cooked on the other side too. That's it, the recipe is done. So serve it with whatever chutney you like or podis. They taste very good. Please do try it and let your family members have it and let me know how it turned out for you in the comment section. Please subscribe to my channel, like and share my videos. I'm going to show you more and more nice recipes. Yummy recipes. Stay home, stay safe. Thanks for watching again. Bye bye.